Fasa kwawe say so enchia baby bia krobia or mine bia krebia ni krokasi bia woman what they were free to Adom 106.3 and say what they were Facebook Adom 106.3 and say yeah YOA Adom Ahengua no enim. E hono na wona se wona me ediashia mame mawo ache na me mawo akwa ba se wona me wo afidie so se ye som onyame tiasefo a obosro eni asase de ontonko so na onda erade ntonko ene erade enda enye wuwunti ene erade ba beda erade ontonko. He that watcheth me, he that watch after me, he that look at me all the time, does not sleep, nor slumber. The oshemeso ne de nene ewomeso no ontonko ena onda. The oshemeso no ontonko onoso onda. Bezo odwene ho nti na makane bio no. De ohwemeso no ontonko onoso so ona rade ntonko rade ona. The entire rade ntonko ene the entire rade nda no if you say ono ankasa sa no wayo ono ne ho you be na born. Nobody created this God. Only small God is a very big, huge God. In fact, he's uncomparable. He is uncomparable. Do you want to compare anything to this great God? If you want to compare, then nyamemwa onenya uwe japa anawo enapa. Maybe you bet me the atutuho kakra. If you have a good and a good parents, they care about you, either they are poor or rich. Good parenting enya de wusika. Uma ameno papa umuni bikura na se woman ye good parents. Ema wunya that kind of a little feel about God. So eja na wona menka umami ana papa musika o but good parents odo wa ba wiase no wodwene ho eye kete ba ko munyina no na moda so aduane kro wonu a aduane kro no na wuni die eno na wosenso so edie ena nkwada ne nyina mu die mu bedrooms ebe mienu ana amiensa bu okra ye the curtains na atwam na nkura no mo da this side say na ma me ne papa so dad ebia wonhunu bi da ebia wonhunu bi denti wono wiase no ban no wanya chimben whole lifestyle eti wotewa wosi wiase no ana debi. Some of us we come from that far no you know how it is. If you no sani etie no papa da ha woni ma me da na the curtains atwam wonhunu bi da de no the curtains atwam sa na mo nkora na mo da ne sei so na wonu nua mema ne ma no munyina mo bia faako ade be chinebu ana ketafo na ewesi we na jonso ye ewesi we na jonso ye. Have you come across that kind of lifestyle before? And let me do what kakra. Let me take you back. Etobrebi na so nya baby jina na nya baby tuna na nya baby da na osisi adan obi so kunu da ha wo yire nso da ha na wo ma no obi a wo ne bedroom na wo ye awirefi wo ye anya awirefi into what dwene se wiase na ano ane se ye wo complete house asoro ne form into wu sane na ofro ye mu bi de ye ni de ye sane ne afro ne bi eye ba ku ya. But you see, so we're good parent now, we're Janin na, one more year. We are a single mother. But which is, oh, mamma, a very good heart, very passionate mother, very passionate. I what didn't you know, sorry, no, was school. Make us say, I wanna be brutal, I wanna bad my uncle Brabuba was I wanna add them in Raduto, a bedo, Kafra, a bedo. But I do Nina Noa, Memma Rinfisadia, or Shammy no me no sono. Somebody is watching. He watches over you and he watches over me. Ubishami. Na di oshami me no ontonko ena onda. Enunti ena Benis Panford kana sa no se asedan kwan ye de bemenyame asedan ye oso ye de menyame fi se ono na ama kwan ama atamfo anya yen anya de o mpese o ye wo ye ho ebia ukunu kura so wojao ebia oyire so wojao ebia wadamfo bi no amkọ adwuma ka cho say you won't be my friend anymore ebia wo fiancé come on baba ware this month but eniema bia waka de a kire wono e kire say that is the end of the relationship ebia eno akọ adwuma mu kura no boss ne attitude be towards you no it wasn't pleasant. It ama why you disturb went to me and there one text message and a WhatsApp from a husband and from a wife, from a landlord. The air canning a very discouraging. But an ano pay, Mamma no me no abray when you met as a phone anyway. Yen cause so na yen someone na yen fana sedan and a nasia and an tron and a pigeon and a croye and from manifest the oshami no me no sono on tonko. Sounds so na onda. Maybe said no a show adwinimo. He that watcheth over me does not sleep nor slumber. He doesn't sleep. The oshawe no one masono on tonko and on also onda. The oshami no me no sono on tonko and on also onda. Hello, good morning. The oshami no me no sono. Enti wo wonya ni perfume bi na wo nam ho saa obi hwa wo so enya okunu na hwa wo so enya wo yire to be honest wa wo ma ba nya wo na hwa nkwada na so wo bi adwuma companies wo ba kom yenu miensa enan enu nsia ba enya wo a se radi en sidano a wana wo sie nyina ebe yo madwiri so mu sisi na enso so o mu ntube sida se urade anwen Ghana Owianfo no oni Awurade na wian ne man Awurade na awian ne man Owianfo akase ene Awurade ena no pay me no me no ye da na sese owian ye ono na owian ye Owianfo akase e wo me ne me yire me ne me ma me ne madwuma me ne mani suadi go me ne ma da ye son da no na me ka kire madam fo abana na me ka kire se Hega Bible mu Hegai Papa Abraham jane kwayo Genesis chapter 21 Papa Abraham jane kwayo o man nsuo and o man pano nsuo ne pano sabre no na akwada na dimfie se check it Genesis chapter 21 na oba baba wa wonyiniye na baba we di akwada yi nam sere so na nsuo asa na paano asa na nka paano no nsa na nsuo kura ngo ho no nam sere so de one ne daaye ene na nyem ye no onyame aka kire ne se pam wo ba no. Can you believe this? But when she was alone, asa. Am I talking to somebody? I believe so. Ebia Abrabona said ya pamon, you have become lonely. Why you ankonam? But I'll say with Ja Quadano to us Quadano on Besu Behuni send a body wo. Akran wedding fears, I check him fear and wedding. na wo check say onhwe se ne ba ne be wu no ode akwara na akoto dua bi ase na akwara na etiam no osu no an onyame te no heaven eno onyame ma ne bofo saneye eno onyame bofo no be ka kire Hagar say sorry ade na wo wira ho yapam no ade na me wira ho ade na me ni awira ho onyame say sorry kotama kura no baby ensio no baby akwada ne dan kasa no pagya no a ensio ho no hello eye wona me na wo bon komoyo there be wona me catch maybe what baby drum kwantana you think that everything has come to an end it's afiasi and they 22 yes sir 22 and you dream say this is the end, but can I encourage you? Hagar, can I encourage you? Hagar alone unyame eba besra na wonya bre na okenka na hwe nsem unyame ka kire Hagar pa unka se aso no mpo na yapam no unka se ono na yapam no. Good morning wherever you are baby I will be ana me da se we fidie da hanom ana pay me se de ohwe so no ontonko Charles de ohwe so no ontonko
papa
ana wada
no kwasem
de ohwe so no ontonko
on sign that
your trap me miss your Ghana so no ontonko yana etobre bi ni be dwene kasate se de aso mo ne control Ghana yeah wo yes I said there is no watchman there is no watcher any camera so obi hwe Ghana so abusia obi hwe me so umpema semba obi hwe me so uchiri me but obi hwe me so
boy ho ban
otometwene but obi hwe me so wo se me useless but obi hwe me so wo se me media emfaso bia ni me so but obi hwe me so de ohwe Ghana so no ontonko na wada na se de oyo security man kura na upia woda na se anapay opanyina wo ya obehwe me fie kakra me twa ne police ansa na metwa na se wunyame ahwewa ma ade akyewa ade nti na wontimi ntwa ne police atena kema me kwaba wana de okọ na wana de oba we a single mother sani wetimi raise wo mai onyini so obi na taagire
enyame
o
enyame enyame se nyame amwa bishop se nyame amwa ni baby ntimi mwa nyame na hwe
so
ono ano de yakọ
abusia nyame ma ye nim ngu ase de ohwe ye nso no ontonko na wada.
So powerful.
He that watcheth me does not sleep nor slumber. The ohwe nso no ontonko and one dance so.
Bishop say nyame enhwe yenso anka yenti ase. Onhwe yenso enye wo ka papa wo de nam enye ties egu ase. Nyame adom enye wo fie papa bi a wotimi asi. And then say you to local gate.
Enye wires bi na ode agugu suro je cameras na wo ho no. Nyame na hwe yenso. Nyame na hwe yenso.
Nyame na hwe yenso.
Nyame na hwe yenso.
Ade achi say yes yetimi de nyame ase.
Hwe. Enye doctor pa bi na wo.
Dabi.
Nyame hwe so.
My doctor.
My doctor. Me doctor dear. Obetimi a prescribe aduro bi a odwen se ebebo a o na ebekum. Ai. Eti di ohwe me ne omienu so no wo hwe ye maso ma ye mai ko school ne o ma ba asomdwe mu. Me nam wa na me mai di owo school bi aba madwene o me se rade me nim se da bi a wani gusu a wo hwe me mai o rade me sere o me nim se wani me anya me a mai ko school do every month me drive akwa hwe me ma wo school me drive akọ aye ma se de but the ohenkwada no so no the ohwe me yire so the ohwe me kunu so the ohwe me nananom so the ohwe wo a woda wa awai dedire wa wadedire papa
the me kunu de ono ana hwe me so
kunu de no
the me kunu de
wa bede hwankrom ho agya ho but the ohwe wo so no
eyerade
ontonko and wada da biarada
it's so powerful
the ohwe be so no Psalm 121 your shayen so no Psalm 121. Your science so ebusua obi hwe also woni nam ho akeke eno ti do obi so o to adura. Forget about that useless talk. Forget about that person. Obi si what the war ko baby and wo ko kekredo bi asimo. Forget about that useless talk. Obi science so our lives is in the hands of the Creator. 2020, your success, your progress. In fact, enema pa ebesisi wo abrabo mu no enye wo obi na hwa so obi na hwa so obi hwa so mesraw wote kan no ka kire wa ho ka kire de ote won chen se minia obi na hwa yanso no no hwa yanso no na boss ro ne asase he that watched he watched your soul even with blood with kidney with liver bibi biara e wo ho bia ya ka kire so wanya cancer yesu wanya AIDS yesu wanya wodi yade na ya bobɔ nyina no me se enye saa yade ne bekun enye yade ono ne bekun twa wakoma to yam na se wo ya akonkyira wodi ye wudidi so adidi enye bema no nsem na okeka ne bekun o kwagu
Bishop won say senior David who senior baby name babria na ofam nyina no who say no nyame na hwe
e nyame o
enye ono ankasa
e nyame o
enti baby 2020 and second Bishop say na yo ha e nyame na hwe yen
22nd
22nd
e nyame o
se nyame anka yenti asi
e nyame na hwe yen
na dum bi
wono na hwe yen ni o ya nom bia nsem enema bi won san kan ye but just relax your hair so no when him gate you be bia mo pie your hair so no your hair so nya dia otonko na wada
ye kan nye se ohwe so se wo de ne hwe o kekewu
ya be
osan eya onyame a na ehia wo no ode dum wo ne mremu
abusia mama mfasa adwoyi ema now the nyame nkasa kakra or from Yaw Owusu Ansah and a chance Adom Ahengua if the other way yeah bo empire pa ya control empire bon etuom na next week is yebeto aso by the last week what you say ya de be twatoɔ ya de no be twatoɔ this week you know yeah near all night Friday Prophet Addison the baba sum but some we are next week is so you better to empire no so am kai madam fu yakase okay come no bio mate but the baba so and now me show crying say obebebi and na dwe beto aso ochena beto aso Friday all night my father's house a choir wo ho become my father's resurrection power and living bread ministries international there is a praise we mo hodo here for us mo praise we hodo mo branch there for us
dance my
wo branch o
me dey better
so a praise we my head on my canasa my head on my canasa ho ye praise we dance here for better and so my father's house but we are joining here they create empire be ho bia bebre you can join of Yaw yeah sorry ready Collins come on they are shy so no on tonko no they am dan no obi hwa me so be poison me obi hwa me so they are hwa me so be papa wani so also over to Madura, over Cobia, with me picture. Now, do me dear call your Hamilton of Psalm 121. Or be Hamiso, Menenam Hokake, Menenam Hokake. I don't walk alone, maybe in Liverpool. I don't walk alone.
Who's a little Yamias of Bidden in Sakawa, not in Sakanyami, in Sakanyami. Is that also so in Sakawa?
Obi Hamiso, Obi Hamiso, one man is Obisu and Yaya. Obi se wo kunu beja obi se wo ma nwareda obi se wo ma ho ntaw da obi se wo ma ho nya asomdwe da catch the people say you are a liar. He that watched me and yet some time and yet some days he that watched Ghana. You can hate me, you can hate Ghana, you can dislike Ghana, but there is a watch for Facebook. You can share. Let some people enjoy this program. Share with somebody. But just a worrying son, but will be also. We are prostitute, will be also. We are here nipa, and so still quite good to say.
It says a ball by or so more 9 book and with 3.1 years.
The Ohemeson, oh, Mamina, with 3 now, what she has, and a Mashias, or Shemeson, or shows. And your quota is some Kuno Hemesu, a Kurase, a room, oh, Kalamakai, and Biania Dahon, Biania de Tao, Jesus, Quantia baby, baby, a honum, a decura, any map, Muno, or say honum, or shows. Good morning, baby, I will be our we are Fanano. We never walk alone. He watches us. He watches us. He doesn't sleep. He doesn't slumber. Onyaya mayenai empimboba. Menim say nkrofobia sunsun fidi afa woni wo ma ho. Menim say nkrofobia sunsun fidi afa woni wo adwuma ho. Menim say nkrofo sunsun fidi bi. The bishop said to the Bia say a secret now wa a young show. But the Yamia can want several. The show bishop no one of Sasha Mrs. Macau. One person or what shall he me? No risk, Hesicani, or Hesija for a shower. I don't think I make a choice. Say Genesis 21 or Mia Pamo Haga. Oh, and the name be obeyed by Genesis and Yamia in a near free Haga. Even when Hagar was alone in the desert with Ishmael, Nyame egusu wa nani wono so. Me no okay. Me no okay. Show now why be out da na. Was it baby akwada ne da no a wo su no a. Etu ka be kas oh, ne nyame na pene ma Abraham pam no no ana. Nyame me ye pam no na ne nyame etwen no wasere no so. Bishop nyame on say you. O hwa wo sinti on hwe de ma. Wo de okuru si wa jaw. Ba nyankopon be hwe wa ma wa nkasa be ye onwanwa. Nyame be siesie o. Nyame be ye wo yie. Obi si wa dismissal. What delete you? When you're important, be bad. Mr. Toboas, me shows. Me am do baby. Me am do baby. Abraham do baby. Kwakubi am do baby. Me am do baby. Minja woman wonam pimboba. Hello, good morning. Baby, I will be on my son. Psalm 121. Say, I can care be your crank. Your topic, you know, you're about to us. But yes, Obi House, Obi House, Obi Shawoso, found at 2 o'clock because will be Hemes. We hear say, my catch say, oh, yeah, baby, me preaching. I'm in from Santos. We hear some catches of Quachia, and now they have a Sicasha envelope and say, yeah, I saw for your baby. Our baby, I want to never good envelope, never bread, never dollar, for pound, for euro, for shame, for brand, sana. Yatrone na ada mama nka no kure panchiro yatrone na ada wonyame yi niema adichire but enye saa gimmicks no ene saa na ada no a mepese me di nyame ho no wodi sika ba wan fa sika ma onyame hwe so ba tare bi fili ba wo numpa me nyame wi enfi uta osema twa wudi o mensem ma twa wudi wa makuruchu I have connected you at the set tattoo was it one ankasa no me Yaw Owusu Ansah ya kuruchi me yo kuruchi ye ba me yo kuruchi ye ba ya kuruchi me wonyame nsayem obi ntime nwa me mfina nyame nsayem ha ya kuruchi me wonyame nsam oso mo ambetimi ato atwene ba me nyame wo kunu betimi ato atwene wo yire betimi ato wo namfo betimi ato atwene nanso so me de minim adwen kura me dwene wo asem tietia de wo hwe yan so no anu wo hwe yan so 2020 wo ba hwe yan so yan kwana dodu aye wo sa wiase busia sa ye brenson ya yenkoye ye brenson ya yenkoye anapai fasa asem we say fasa asem we comfort abena bonsra at say Olivia give on a minute so we can do be see your mommy what dance so man Olivia show day Auntie Grace one woman anyway busia we are sure some ho here Adom Ahengua good morning I want to say there carefully when you are cause you am here the dia wo fam no nkyerɛ sɛ nyame ayi ne nsa o dabi dia wo fam no ɛnkyerɛ sɛ nyame wayi ne nsa da nyame onyina ne nsa da nyame onyi ne nsa da biara da onyame onyi ne nsa da biara da wɔyɛ hwɛfo ɛtu ɛna no pɛ dia wo yɛ nsa awurade mehwɛfo pa mehwɛfo kronkron ɛno nti na baabi a wo da bia na manwene sɛ wo nko a wobɛtumi adɔgye nyame
dabi
kwaku ntimi ndɔgye nyame
no you can't have
ufiri ukurachi ya baabi a wo kɔda no
ɔhwɛ ne nyinaa o
wɔhwɛw
nyame ohu nneɛma o
nneɛma nyame hu no wɔ
yey bishop nyame hu nneɛma
nneɛma nyame hu no wɔ wiase
ɔhwɛ wo so nti ohu nneɛma baabi a wonam no nyinaa
sɛ nyame te sɛ nnipa sɛ nyame te sɛ nnipa nneɛma nyame hu no
hwɛ
nneɛma nyame hu no
bishop ɛdɔs sɛ ɔhwɛ yɛ so nti na woyɛ bia o
Eritia anopai me na omiyeru yewo nyame tia se fo enenim ero da daughters aka yemfa no na yemfa anye Olivia, the next week I'll be ja Oma me crying. All right, come on. One ukrone Oma. Matese wenya na nanzo so aka ho. Abra Oma me korona na nanzo so aba. Baby Obiana, let us enjoy this from Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Asida ben amemfa merade. Dia ohweyen so no. Maka cho me so obi hwe wo so. Obi hwe wo so. Obi hwe wo so. Charles say,
"Udu baby o say oboni nyina mumpo no awrade hwe wo so."
Obi hwe wo so. Don't let anybody condemn you.
No.
Don't let anybody make you feel useless. Be say the ohwesikani so no ono ana hwe so.
Yes.
The ohwe archbishop so no ono hwe me so amente asore. Huh? No discrimination.
No share results in force no.
Ono ana hwe baas.
Ono ana hwe baas in force.
Ono ana hwe method. It is a ukojina method is now bompa yes o bompa ye tia eye presby anase assemblies of God. He that watcheth nyame kro no election bia wo hwe yenso no ono na 2020 obehwe. The same God. Ever the same obehwe yenso no we obedi nchim bia bedi rough bia no obebu wa kuturuku.
You free.
Oh, the Ohio on the Wapamu, on the Yam bribe no.
Dabi. In
fact, we bet me a bribe prophet to be. Ebiasida, our Bible. Numbers. Numbers.
Kokasi.
Numbers, ye head that ball will be pa. Said Domi and Crofo bay. Ye head that command is sika. You can influence certain men and women of God. But ye, your hair is ration. Onye nkwafo onye nipa
dabi onye nipa
dia so obi bawo wo pa se say me a dia oheme so no
bebo ho ba e ma nenye yi
no twa kuma to yam tese sa atwere yi a me ne wo kenkan sa kan ne bio o ma na mpembo ba womba se ne nkrofo asusu no ma bɔ pa afa ho enye adwuma o
dabi o so mo wia kran so
o ma awia ne ya ka awia enhyiwa wia o se ta awia ba awia no o se awia de bɔ no wono a ye covering over your life
o ma nenso
who be the say owia nhyiwa
awia bɔ no awia bɔ in the sunlight o se awia bɔ no o hia ba was with the woman here. What to be that? Huh? That you won't say, what's so in your main antia and then an auntie? Kashebe. Because this God, even in your poverty, was it or here, Bremon, Mimani here. Is soon Breno, Mima Wunso. I will a whole Breno, Mima Reno. At the end, I'll be saying, who couldn't see what Breo people who are Jow? Che, Maninjao. No more be until we are just a jar asumesi. That is the time that God will honor you.
Bishop, we will say, "Ugu must say, wash that up and say, Ugu must not say." Now the sunyami or shows.
A real breno, mimma a real show that be a real bre.
Now, what's the name soon? Anadu.
When a number just say, I said, why you're confused, why you're disturbed, when yet. esumbre esumabano wase won ko ano obe create light bi ama path eti ye nyina nam sumu all right but you be different. Why? Because when he say nyame and ma di kan Genesis the na me do me say nyame no ane kan say yem pam Hega but Hega da sa asere no so a wa short to nsuo no
base
e wa ne ba ne nsuo no nsuo na nyame kro no a no release angel no aka aba Hega sorry ko tebri akwada no he say baby oda no aso so nsuo nyame krono
dada no
nyame be makwan ma niam bi asisi ne wode ahyewo wani munyam Roman for ngumati nwotwe se na yennim se for we know yennim se wana wodo awurade no de ono awurade no ma enye wono ono ma ade nyinara you must know the knowing factor of it. The knowing. For we know. I was here. And I pay. Yes, sir. I'm a share no. Now, so I'm a share. Your shows. Your Hammerson. Your Hammerson. Or Shame Casa. My Yana Pimboba. Who could open in our shows? I was here. The Slawa. Fasa Jumi Moon and Seminole. Never Casa Yadia and Amawi. Far none to the Fabobra. He that watch it. Obi also. Put a man crofobin koto to a draw and go shop one. My woman, man, animal being cocanchin, cobe being cansam, and you so they can eliminate you. But you are free as a TNT. Obi here so. Onyamisha yes. Obi here so a friend a genuine compound. Or boss running assassin. He that watched us does not sleep. Neither slumber.
Tini oshe so yo no oshe ma America so
oshe Germany for
say nyame kro no
oshe Holland for so oshe Finland me say memo obi sisu say this was some futuro egu envelope now the abagana na the $100 na $200 na euros aba sa nonsense enye no na be nyame ahwe so
ko Jerusalem odi su aba
tie na tie bio. Listen and listen well. And you offering no be nyame ahwe wo so. Nyame ohwe yen so unconditionally.
That is his love.
Unconditionally. Eti wudi obeba ba for the amame ameje. But men kasa for the enti se me ba for the ma Yaw Owusu Ansah na jabe. Se sa na nyame ye dia. Ene nke
onum so kwesa de oil bi gum kakra. One fa nguma.
Nke ne titi ufie tentan abusia me se dia ohwe yen so no ontonko ena onna ontonko ema wo bi anada
abi prophet ni so da prophet ni ono ka so no da ono da o
abusia meba ya any erade nkasa meet ba kasa erade ona hweme so and say erade ba hwe so a so ne wa pam so ne wa pam
when me chef erade me da wase no
who Greece obi say daddy good morning I'm watching you from Greece. May the God Almighty keep you strong. Thank you baby I will be on catch you who are Greece, who are Holland, who are England, who are Switzerland, who are Scotland. He that watched you. Your shows. What may we and show a via? We are kete. Oh, may we and show. And we have a papa. What I want to. I want to. That's what I want to.
So every year we
here and you may send me personal. We are body. Bemana jam dear me, you sujani dear, me near Juma dear.
so and you were when him say one number when you yet
Debbie
because of Bishop.
Oh, my one yamopo, Debbie, oh, my one seriously. What barbary, what nanso so, or Bema Pomaya dinner. We are Bama, what you mean, say, and you can say, I want to kill myself.
No,
I want to kill that.
Don't kill yourself.
Don't kill yourself.
No,
he that watched you was here, Breno. I will hear Breno. Oh, ma, we hear no. And this topic is my message. Thank you, Papa. God bless you. Yes, and your message, you could have a message. And your message, listen and listen well. Dear show was sono. Dear Hiana say, baby, I wouldn't be ano. Ye near ma said the fata. Bobrapa. Isano na bokiti bia ye papa no mudware bobrapa bobrapa iwadwire ne ye na bobrapa me do see achia bobrapa. He that watcheth you does not sleep, does not slumber. Can you stretch your hand towards us? Oh, Facebook, stretch your hand towards us. What you can do, stretch your hand. I rather want to hear you. Shamami Bisu, you could not see a catch of the Labis in the rat. And then you see a catch of the world. Rather, yes, yes, oh my God, hospital, you that watches us, you watch me, you watch my children, you watch my work, I'm going out, coming in. We thank you, God, for your protection, God. Cabinet, soldier for prison guards, fire service, farmers, drivers, MTT, we pray. May the Lord protect you. May the Lord keep you strong. May the Lord comfort you. In the name of Jesus. In the name of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. May your life, may your Wednesday be blessed.
Yes, Lord.
With a lot of testimonies.
In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Today is your birthday. Anthony Damwa J. Ameyao of KRUST. May good Lord continue to bless you. Okay, from J. Ameyao, Italy. Happy birthday to Rita Abra Samoa of Replem. Okay, Rita. Okay. All right. Thank you. But I say, Yami Adoma, give us here. We'll be here also. When I'm in the good people, we'll be here. I'm not alone. I don't walk alone. I don't walk alone. I don't walk alone. We'll be here also. We'll be here also. I don't walk alone. Mama Julius Ghana, I am with Diano. We'll be here Ghana. So we'll be here Ghana. Keep quiet. Keep quiet.